Man, it's been like a month since you had that thing, and you're still going at it. You're a pretty motivated pup.
What's going on, everyone? So if you guys follow my social, then you probably know what I'm gonna say. I have a good feeling that many of you are done with 2020 and ready to put it behind us. And if you feel like you didn't accomplish anything this year or had some failures, then I'm here to tell you that you can't really fail anything in life unless you give up. You may have failed on completing a goal during a certain time frame, but you didn't fail the overall goal. To say you failed in something is when you decide to throw in the towel and give up. And if you did throw in the towel, then you also can't be so hard on yourself, but only if you did everything in your power to try to make it work. And especially, you can't be hard on yourself for something that wasn't in your control. I understand that 2020 wasn't the best year for everyone, but that shouldn't stop you from chasing your goals. If anything, 2020 made me realize what I really should be focusing on and stop wasting my time. You hear this saying all the time, but there are dreamers and there are doers. So what I'm trying to get at is that if you're the type of person that looks forward to the new year because you see it as a reset, such as losing weight, eating healthier, paying off credit cards, whatever the case may be, I need you to erase that tomorrow mentality out of your head. You can't use the new year as an excuse to start to do something later and just to slack off for the time being. So I'm here to say that for your 2021 to be successful, don't wait until January 1st to start. Take the action now, take the action today. So many ideas I never got done because that's all they were. They were just ideas I kept stuffing in the back of my head. You should take out a notebook, take out a pen, and create a plan. Pretty good plan, eh? But write it down to make it more real and put it somewhere in your home where you'll see it every day. If you look behind me, I made a dream board last year for 2020 on the goals I wanted to achieve. I'm happy to say that 3 out of the 6 things on the board I achieved, while the other 3 I couldn't since those events were canceled. But I'm not here to talk about my goals or my dreams. I'm here to shed some light that even if this year was just falling apart for some people, is that to take the good out of it. Whether it's saving some money, quality time with family, and more importantly, quality time with yourself. Because you need to take care of yourself first in order to take care of anyone else. And with the bad, don't be so negative about it. I know it's easier said than done, but don't dwell on it. If you have to cry it out, scream at the top of your lungs, do whatever you need to do to move forward, then do it. Learn from it and use it as knowledge to move forward. So let's recap. How do we make 2021 the best year ever? Well, you need to reflect on 2020 first. And everything that you reflected on from 2020, you take the good, learn from the bad, and adjust today for a better tomorrow. You don't need a new year for a reset. If you have a goal, then you need a plan. Because a goal without a plan is just a dream, and I don't know about you, but I'm done dreaming. If you need a game plan with anything in life, not just with real estate, contact me on my socials, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you and be a part of your journey to make whatever may seem to be a dream right now into a reality. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later now.